In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage identity verification configurations in Docusign Esignature. This straightforward process will streamline how you handle identity checks, boost your document security, and enhance your workflow efficiency with Docusign's versatile tools. Let's start off by visiting the Docusign website. You can do this by typing in the URL or by clicking on a saved link if you've got one handy. Once you've reached the page, you'll see a variety of options and information about Docusign's services. The next step is to navigate to the login page. Simply look for the login button on the top right corner of the site and click on it. This will prompt you to input your user credentials, so make sure you have your username and password ready. Once you're logged in, you should see the main dashboard known as the Docusign Home. Now that you're on the home page, the next move is to access the administrative settings. Find and click on the admin button. This will allow you to enter the admin dashboard where you can control various settings related to your Docusign account. Once in the admin section, the focus is to proceed to the Connect tab. Locate and click on Connect, as this will direct you to features that integrate Docusign with various applications and services. These integrations are crucial in managing how your Docusign interacts with other platforms, including identity verification processes. In this Connect area, you'll see an option to add a new configuration. Click on Add Configuration. This is where you'll begin creating a new setup for verifying identities. After clicking, a variety of configuration types might appear, giving you flexibility in how you structure your verification process. Select the Custom option. Choosing Custom allows you tailored control, an essential feature for those with specific needs or requirements. Next, look for the Identity Verification option and click on it. This section is where you can configure the parameters necessary for verifying identities. Here you can adjust settings to authenticate identities as per your organization's policies or industry standards. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage identity verification configurations in Docusign Esignature. These configurations help ensure that you only authorize legitimate users, securing your documents and reinforcing your compliance with identity verification standards. If you followed along, you should now have a functional setup for managing identity verification. This process, while straightforward, greatly enhances your ability to control and execute secure signatures. And remember, regular checks and updates to these configurations can help in maintaining system integrity and security. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be glad to assist. Thanks for tuning in and happy securing with Docusign.